Hello everyone, today I would like to discuss a critical challenge faced by researchers worldwide, scaling up microalgae-based bioenergy production. Microalgae such as Corella sp have long been recognized for their potential to produce clean energy while capturing atmospheric carbon dioxide. However, despite years of research, over 85% of microalgae bioenergy projects remain stuck at the laboratory scale, with less than 5% advanced to pre-commercialization or large-scale production. The main obstacles include process complexity, high operational costs, and technical barrier in mass cultivation, and maintain process efficiency when scaling up to large volume. Recognizing this challenge, I focus my research on developing process simulation with Aspen Plus to help bridge this gap. This approach ensures that system design are not only theoretically sound but also economically and environmentally sustainable when scaled up. On the other hand, researchers can also use my simulation framework to predict product yields before conducting experiments, saving both time and resources. In this study, I employed Aspen Plus simulation software. Let's take a closer look at my simulation setup. All physical and chemical properties of the system, including thermodynamic, kinetic, reactor configuration, and energy balance, were carefully input based on real experimental data collected from laboratory study on Corella sp microalgae. Through this run, I model how the process behave under different operation conditions like temperature and pressure, and simulate the effect of scaling up the system in controlled virtual environment. Through this simulation, we can investigate how feedstock composition, temperature, pressure influence syngas production, with a particular focus on balance of carbon monoxide and hydrogen in the output. Furthermore, the environment impact can be assessed by analyzing CO2 emission from the process, offering valuable insight for design carbon capture or even carbon negative production system at the industrial scale. Finally, I conducted a techno-economic analysis using APA software to evaluate the feasibility and profitability of scaling up the production system. It is important to note that carefully mapping an equipment design, including volume and operation condition, is critical for successfully scale up. The ultimate vision of this research is to develop a model that not only absorbs carbon dioxide emission, but also convert microalgae into valuable bioenergy, contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable future. Thank you very much for watching.